Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So yesterday, Vivaldi rolled out version 7.9, which is the latest stable release. I'll leave the video for that link down below and in the end screen because it did include some interesting new features. And already, a day later, Vivaldi has rolled out the first point release for version 7.9. So to check we have this latest point release, we head to our main menu, Help, About. Browser version in bold is sitting on 7.9.3970.41. Chromium platform 146.0.680.158. And that 0.158 of the Chromium platform includes this week's weekly security fixes, which I actually thought rolled out yesterday with version 7.9, but I stand corrected. Those have been made available now. So quick recap before we have a look at the fixes. That there is 26 security fixes that have rolled out in total. And this is an important security patch because it addresses and fixes 3 critical vulnerabilities listed as out-of-bounds memory access in WebGL. That's for the first 2, and the third one is use after free in base. And then all the rest, the remaining security patches are addressing high severity vulnerabilities, and there's 1 medium. So this is an important security update. Although there's no mention of any 0 days, we do get critical vulnerabilities that have been patched. So check you get this point release sooner than later. Now getting back to the bug fixes that have rolled out and AutoHide. AutoHide is a feature that rolled out with version 7.9 yesterday. And when enabled, if you click on the toggle here, there's also a keyboard shortcut. Check the video out for more info that I posted yesterday. When enabled, your user interface, as you can see, that's your tab bar, address bar, panel, status bar, and so on, move aside while you're reading, watching, or working, which gives you a lot more screen real estate. And I actually quite like the look and the functionality of that. Now, there are 8 AutoHide fixes. So just to go through these quickly. First of all, they fixed a blank panel which was being shown instead of the user interface. You couldn't hide a panel when enabled, when AutoHide was enabled. That's been fixed. Apparently there were no window controls on floating compose window when hide is enabled for AutoHide. The panel visibility was not being saved. That's also been fixed. It wasn't remembering the lost focus. That's been patched. The sidebar hides when clicking tab when focus is set to input field. The top bar was shaking after putting tabs on the side, then back on top. And then AutoHide for Mac OS, there's one fix where the window controls and or traffic lights are separated from the tab bar. So 8 fixes running out for AutoHide, which was a key feature for version 7.9. As mentioned, if you want more info, check yesterday's video out. And then for mail, we get 3 fixes. That's the built-in mail. And then for downloads, apparently there's a fix where the incorrect file download path was shown. So that's a niggly issue that's been sorted out. And then the last one for this video, for the address bar, apparently you couldn't remove the address or search field from the toolbar. So a good bunch of fixes, mainly for AutoHide, rolling out. And of course, those 26 security patches have rolled out for the Chromium platform, which the browser is based on. So for the first point release, quite an important update. And one thing I must say about Vivaldi, they are quick to address and sort out problems in the browser compared to other browsers. So already we have the first point release that has rolled out for version 7.9. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.